Safety. In this video, we will explain safety regarding elements of group number 7 or halogens. Fluorine is dangerously reactive, and fluorine is the first element of the halogens. All the elements have extremely poisonous vapors and have to be handled in a fume cupboard. So to avoid the exposure to these poisonous vapors, these elements must be handled with caution in a fume cupboard. In this figure, notice the label on top of each bottle, which warns you to be cautious and not to smell them. Liquid bromine is very corrosive, so beware because it can burn the skin, so you must be careful when handling such an element. So fluorine is dangerously reactive. All of these elements have extremely poisonous vapors, so they must be handled in a fume cupboard, and liquid bromine is corrosive and can burn the skin. In general, these elements are dangerous, and safety measures are a must when handling such molecules.